What do I want to be? I could help companies stay on the right side of the law and look good doing it. I would like to bring this to the attention of the court.
May it please your lordship, what the plain...
It's already 1.4 billion. You can see with the stats, our population has already crossed China's. Or be my own boss and start my own company. Maybe I could put together small things that power big ideas. Yes! I can tell real stories without clickbait. Red flags, not on my watch. I can help people see green. When it goes up. Or I could see the big picture and bring it to life. Or I could solve the mysteries of medicine. I believe that these 6 steps are crucial for policy making. I can make policies that stick without the red tape.
Hi, this is nice.
Thank you.
Now...
I think I'll figure it out here.